I have finally upgraded.
I didn't hear nobody say nothing about no hoes up in here. What's up, Dallas? What's up? What's up, Dallas? What's up?
I'm out of my shitty old garage, and now my bikes get to call this huge, smooth floor, insulated garage their home. Now I'm trying to go explore my new home, but I'm wondering which bike should I take? The Rizzler is currently in surgery getting a 6.7 upgrade kit, so this one's out. The DR could be great too, but I'm looking for something a little bit more low-key. Well, then we sure are lucky to have this beautifully built ETM RTR charged to 98%. So we're taking this thing, let's go.
And here we are into the beautiful city, ripping the RTR. So warm outside. River stoppy. Oh yeah. So that's exciting because we're gonna be able to rip the city, explore around my new home, but it's also bittersweet because this may or may not be my last ride on the ETM RTR. And some of you guys are probably like,
hell no.
But it's a last ride for good reason, because we have bigger and better coming. Emphasis on the bigger. If you follow Electro Co and the bikes they've released recently, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Actually, let's go here. Damn, I wish I didn't bring this stupid bag. Chain sounds a little loose. That's all right though. This bike has been, oh, front wheel stopping. So fun to build. I mean, I've really fully built it out beyond doing like a 6.7 kit on this thing, a revolver motor, but we're essentially gonna capture that in the new build that we do. So I figured I'd make some room, pass this thing on to its next owner, but we obviously had to rip it again. We're into a circle ski. Woo! It's so cool being able to just come right out my door and ride in the city again. I love this little wheelie strip here. But we're gonna be outside so much more now. I really missed like the impromptu rides that I do in Philly just on a random day. So it's gonna be a fun summer. I can show you guys a semi-new learn. Stand up, little foot dab circles. Look at that. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, so I hope I don't disappoint anyone saying goodbye to this girl, but we really did a lot to her. I enjoyed it a lot, but we're just gonna make space for that extra large bike, that extra large RTR. And we'll do a full street build on that. See how it kind of compares to like more of like the Tularia XXX size, because I think it's gonna be bigger like that. As far as the Rizzler goes, we should have the 6.7 kit done. I don't know if that's gonna be done before this video is posted or what, but very excited for that. Gonna make the Rizzler like pretty much good at everything. Super fast, super fun. The only thing maybe not off-road, but. So it's definitely bittersweet getting rid of this RTR because I've done so much as far as the Supermoto wheels, custom headlight, the all black plastics, Thrill Seeker seat cover, upgrade shock, high torque motor, high bars, pretty much everything. And it's been so damn good and so fun. But the new ETM RTRs, even just the standard sport model that come, are still better than this bike now. So I really want to make sure that I'm covering the best bikes you can buy right now. So even though this original OG RTR is phenomenal and totally built and I love it, I will be trying the new RTR Sport and of course the XL. But let's get back on this thing. God, it's just such a beautiful day out though. Oh, did I go the wrong way before? I don't even know. I gotta learn this city still. Let's get a little combo action going. Oh, lost my bag. Sheesh. And this guy runs it over, of course. Thank you. This stupid bag, dude. What I'm wondering though is where are these other e-bikes at besides that little scooter thing over there? Now we're coming downtown. God, in a way this really just brings me back to riding in Philly. I didn't realize how much I missed riding in the city until I've been back in the city. I definitely miss it. It's just so much more interesting. So one thing I will say about riding here is the people here ride a lot more respectfully, believe it or not, than in Philly. So that means like abiding by all the traffic lights and not running reds, that type of stuff, which I think is good. There's a balance. There's a certain balance we can get when we're already doing something that allegedly might not be technically legally permitted on the street. Here. Let's go see if Mr. Matt is around. What up?
What's up, boy?
Is this the XL right here?
Nah, that's the...
Just the big wheel kit? How you doing, bro? Alright, well I'm gonna continue my final voyage.
We riding at 3 if you're gonna be around.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I might be. Let's see if I can get that Rizzler done. Back to it. I am gonna miss this bike. I kind of feel bad because I know like I upset my followers from time to time. Because I honestly don't always have a ton of sentimental value with my bikes, and it's not because I don't really like them or enjoy them, but it's just because like the whole point of this all is to ride and enjoy your time, right? Like we can obviously say the RTR looks, if it stays up, it looks fucking sick, dude. Oh, and it's gonna fall. It looks fucking sick, and I really enjoy it, and it's a great bike to have, but it's also like the whole point is just to ride. So if I get a different bike, that's cool. I'm always enjoying testing every different bike and shit, but it's not that deep. Maybe that's contradictory to everything I do on my channel. I don't even know. But I like bikes. I like trying lots of them. Woo! There is something to be said though once you get properly comfortable on an individual bike like this RTR. I'd be more comfy if that front wheel stopped stopping, but it is nice once you become one with the bike. So listen, I'm not against keeping the same bikes for a long time. Nothing like running into my buddies. The Ninja 250. Damn, they have a whole festival going on here. What the hell? It's like a whole concert venue and shit. Interesting. Veg Fest, that's what this is. Oh, it's a vegetable fest? Count me out. Count me out, bruh. Oh, this is so sick. I'm so hyped finding all these new areas to ride. I think left. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed my journey with this RTR, but it is coming to a bittersweet end, as today this will be the last video, but also same day today I will be getting rid of her, which is bittersweet. But thank you so much for watching this video. Bigger RTRs to come, bigger things to come, but I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.